Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. So today I am with a new lesson, that is 8th lesson, the water seed. The water seed. So here is the warm up activity. Look at some ways in which we can save water. Which ones do you do at home? So here are some pictures which can save water, and among these pictures, which one do you do at home? So you have to just tick it, okay? Close the tap tightly after using it. Yes? Do you do? If you do, you just tick here, okay? Don't keep the tap running while brushing. Do you do? Okay, well, good. So in this way you have to choose and you have to tick. And can you think of any other ways in which we can save water? You have to say me this one. Okay. Now let us see the lesson. L-O-N-G, long, A-G-O, ago, long ago. I-T, it, D-I-D, did, N-O-T, not, R-A-I-N, rain, F-O-R, for, T-H-R-E-E, tree, Y-E-A-R-S, years, in us, S-M-A-L-L, small, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. So long ago, it did not rain for 3 years in a small village. T-H, either, E-A-R, T-H, earth, W-A-S, was, P-A-R-C-H-E-D, past, A-N-D, end, A-L-L, all, T-H, either, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, D-R-I-E-D, dried, U-P, up. So the earth was parched and all the plants dried up. Here earth was parched is nothing but the land had become very dry. So the earth was become very dry. Why? Can you guess, children? Okay, let us see. Because it did not rain for 3 years. So that's why the land became dried and the plants also became dried. P-E-O-P-L-E, people, D-I-D, did, N-O-T, not, H-A-V, have, W-A-T-E-R, water, T-O-2, D-R-I-N-K, drink. So people did not have water to drink. T-H-E-Y, they, W-E-R-E, were, V-E-R-Y, very, W-O-R-R-I-E-D, worried. They were very worried. Here worried is nothing but feeling troubled by something that was happened. Okay, they are feeling very troubled. So what had happened here? T-H-E-Y, they, K-N-E-W, knew, T-H-E-Y, they, C-O-U-L-D, could, N-O-T, not, L-I-V-E, leave, W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without, W-A-T-E-R, water. They knew they could not live without water. So the people were dash here, children. Can you guess? Hungry, thirsty or tired? Yes, thirsty is the correct answer because they did not have water to drink. So O-N-E, D-A-Y, day, one day. T-H-E, the, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. C-H-I-E-F, chief, one day. The village chief, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, A-L-L, all, T-H-E, the, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, I-N, T-H-E, the, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village, F-O-R, for, a, M-E-E-T-I-N-G, meeting. So the village chief called all the people in the village for a meeting. Here village chief is nothing but the leader of all the people. In the village, he called the people in the village for a meeting. W-H-E-N, when, A-L-L, all, T-H-E, the, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, H-A-D, had, C-O-M-E, come. When all the people had come, T-H-E, the, C-H-I-E-F, chief, A-S-K-E-D, asked, F-O-U-R, for, Y-O-U-N-G, young, M-E-N, men, T-O-2, C-O-M-E, come, F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. Then the chief asked 4 young men to come forward. This is the chief, as you can see in a picture, this is the chief, and he called some people. So 4 members came in front of him. H-E-S-A-I-D, said, T-O-2, T-H-E-M, them. He said to them, I W A N T want, T H E the F O U R for, O F of, Y O U U, T O to, G O go, I N in, F O U R for, D I F F E R E N T different, D I R E C T I O N S directions. In 4 directions, these 4 persons went in one directions. So FIND find, WATER water, AND and, BRING bring, IT it, BACK back, TO2 US us. So find water and bring it back to us. This chief said to the 4 persons. So what are the 4 directions, children? Do you know? Yes, very good. East, west, north and south. These are the 4 directions they went. S also, THE the, FOUR for, MEN men, DID did, as, THEY they, WERE were, TOLD told. So the 4 men did as they were told. So what the chief said to them, they did the same thing. BUT but, SOON soon, but soon, THREE3 OF of, THEM them, RETURNED returned, TO2 THE the, VILLAGE village. 3 of them returned to the village. 3 persons came back to the village. THEY they, DID did, NOT not, FIND find, ANY any, WATER water. So they did not find any water. THEY they, COULD could, NOT not, GO go, FAR far, BECAUSE because, THEY they, WERE were, VERY very, TIRED tired. So they could not go far because they were very tired. THE the, FOURTH fourth, MAN man, WHO who, HAD had, NOT not, RETURNED returned, REACHED reached, a WHITE white, MOUNTAIN mountain. Then the 4th man who did not return to the village, he reached a white mountain. So do you know why did the 3 men return home soon? Yes, because they were feeling tired. So that's why 3 of them came back. But the 4th one did not return. He reached to the white mountain. A as HEE, CLIMBED climbed, UP up, THE the, MOUNTAIN mountain. As he climbed up the mountain, HEE SAW saw a CAVE cave. He saw a cave. THERE there, WAS was, ANN OLD old, LADY lady, IN in, THE the, CAVE cave. So there was an old lady in the cave. Okay. So well, we will stop till here, children. So why the people are sad and thirsty? Because it did not rain for how many years? For 3 years. Yes, very good. So they were very worried that they don't have water to live now. So what the chief said to them? So any of the 4 persons come front to me and I will give you some work. So these 4 persons came to him and the chief said that you have to go in the 4 different directions. Okay. So 3 of them went a little far and came back to the village. But the 4th one, he did not came back to the village. He moved and moved to the mountain. So there he find an old lady in the cave. Okay. So here we will stop. The remaining lesson will be in the next video. So till that time, please go through the reading practice. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.